She remembered who she was, and the game changed. Until we live from a place of connection to who and what we are, and what all things around us are, we are living out of harmony and beneath our inherent higher potential. A world living beneath its potential is what we have allowed planet Earth to become. Hence, why we see so much chaos, imbalance, and disease. The good news is there is another way of being in the world. There is a better way to exist. Rise, move beyond, and take our power back. There is a deep part of each of us beyond our race, ethnicity, gender, class, and appearance, a vital part. That is our vibration, a whole body energy, always vibrating in response to the communicative connections between the mind, body, spirit, and all things.